Welcome to this Windows and Easy Fixit channel of not just Windows, but pretty much every platform. So we're going to talk a little bit about Windows 7 that is ending, of course, its support next month, January 14th, 2020. A few pointers here for those that are still on Windows 7. You can check out what, if you can upgrade to Windows 10 if you wish, by going to the website. I'll post a link to the Windows download site. You can download the image, use the media creation tool, and create a bootable device, or you can actually click upgrade from there. If you have a valid Windows 7 product key on your machine, there's a good chance you can upgrade to Windows 10 for free. So you should try that. And what's nice is that you can actually try it without having to do anything that will change your system. So when you start that process of upgrading, what is interesting there is that you can actually enter that product key. And if that product key is valid, you'll know before anything has been changed. And if that product key doesn't work, well, you'll know, and you can just, cancel the upgrade and nothing will have changed on your PC. So that's a good thing. Because if you have a valid Windows 7 product key, your upgrade is free to Windows 10. That works, still works as of December 2019. Now, since Patch Tuesday yesterday, this is a screen you will see. Since Patch Tuesday yesterday, at some point you will see a full screen that says your Windows 7 PC is out of support. And 3 options are available to you. Learn more, remind me later, or don't remind me again if you don't want that nagging screen to show up again. Basically, remember that next month, January 14th, 2020, is the last Patch Tuesday. That means after that, you're going to start being vulnerable on the internet because of lack of security updates. So it's very important to understand that. As for the rest, Microsoft here is interesting on that page because it kind of tells you, well, you should buy a new PC rather than, try to have that Windows 7 PC working on Windows 10 because you might, that PC might be old and so on. And there's some truth in there, but honestly, there's also a lot of the Windows 7 PCs out there that can run Windows 7 without any problems. So that's also something that you could try out. So, yep, nagging screen again, but remember there's barely more than a month left for you for the support of Windows 7. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.